Are you happy?
Yeah.
Happy Daughter's Day, Gudu.
Thank you, Mama. I don't know what to do.
And say thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
The gift is from both of us. What do you think inside?
I don't know. I just don't know.
First, finish what's in your mouth.
Okay.
Excited?
Yeah. But be careful, don't cut your finger. It's in a wrapping.
Open. Show it to Mama. Pick
It's a live baby.
it
Yeah.
up, show it to Mama.
Wow.
Did you like it? You were saying you want this one? Show it to me.
It's a big doll.
Yes.
Whoa.
Let Papa open it.
Papa opened this. It's a live one. A live baby. Does it actually talk?
Mm-hmm.
How? It does talk in Spanish.
I don't think she talks. It's just a doll.
It could talk in Spanish.
Pani do pee.
She also got a little bottle.
Hmm.
With that, yeah. Let's go.
Mermaid है.
How mermaid? Her bottle. Take it. Could you see her tail? Oh, her feet! You can actually see her feet down there. Whoa.
She has feet also.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah, you could also put it in the water.
And she's got the diaper also.
What? Yeah. She calls it a potty. Thank you, Mama. Aww. It's so cute. Okay. I just want to pick it up. I love it.
What's her name?
I don't know. And look at her sippy cup. It's so cool. She also has diapers, so cute. That's why she's a baby.
Do you wear diapers?
No. When I was little, I used to.
Not now.
Nope. That's because I'm a bigger girl.
You
Girl,
are?
Girl. Let's look at
Hello.
It has cute. Hey, nice.
That's a diaper.
Yeah,
A
cute.
little zipper.
Sipper cap. Sip up. Oh,
Hello.
I didn't get hurt, sorry. I finished my food.
You did?
Yeah. What should I do with this? Oh, we need a side of water
Yeah.
in this room. Then we need to feed it. Then she'll spit.
She will.
Yeah.
But you already have that LOL doll that spits.
That one? I don't know. That too small. You already see that video.
Hmm.
But not this video, this is a new one.
Hmm.
But we didn't see this. Alive, baby! Alive! Woo! It's bottle! Ah! Shit's bottle. It came out!
This is such a good bottle, just like big baby's bottle.
Yeah. Ah! It has a hole.
Hmm.
It's a cute little accessory. Cute. Phew, that was close. Used to fall sometimes. Papa, cut the baby out. It's so exciting. It's a mermaid. See that sticky thing now? There.
So, what are you gonna give to us, to your mommy and daddy?
I don't know. I didn't know. But I don't have any surprise.
But you should get one for us. We are your mommy and daddy. We gave you so many presents.
But tomorrow when it will be your birthday
Mm-hmm.
or Papa's birthday, I'll give you.
How? What will you give?
I will ask my friends or somebody else with my friend's mama or papa. Then they will give you presents.
Okay, so you'll ask our friends to give us gifts and your friends, but not you.
I'm so glad. Wait a second. I have good idea. She's so heavy.
हे डायपर है इसका
हाँ.
बेबी डायपर
हाँ.
डायपर है और मोटू है
हाँ. बस. It's a cute little alive baby. Let's She's actually a drink.
Show me.
Ma, thank you.
You're welcome. कितना thank you बोलता है. Say thank you to Papa also.
Thank you, Papa.
Oh.
Look.
Say bye bye.
Bye bye.